Hello friends, a new notification came from the NTA website. You can check it there. It is clearly mentioned here. I'm just turning the landscape mode. Yes. Now you can see this is the latest notification updated on the site regarding the UGC NET exam and which is going to held on 24th September. So date has already updated. Which exam or the which subject will conduct on 24 and which subject conduct in another date. You just go through it. 24th these subject will conduct like that only, and the another point you can talk about it. If we will come on the physical education net exam, it will be held on 29. Environmental science exam will conduct also in 29. Date it is already given. You can just go through the particular notice, then you will get your subject. Okay, so move on the another page. For example, if we will talk about the English exam will conduct on 1st October and the timing would be 9 a.m. to 12 noon, and it is divided into two slot, first group 1 and the another one is group 2, and first group 1 will conduct 9 a.m. to 12 noon and the second group will conduct as on a 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So they have divided in the two shifts. And if we will talk about the sociology will conduct on the 7th October. The timing it is also divided in the only one part, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And history will conduct on the 9th October, and political science it will also conduct in 9th October. You can check it here, date it is already given here, 9th. History will conduct on 9th and the timing would be 3 to 6. If we will talk about the commerce exam will conduct on 17th October, and the timing, because many students are there, so it is divided in two group. First group 1 and the another one is group 2. First group exam will conduct on 9 a.m. to 12 noon and the second group exam will conduct on 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Okay, now move on the another exam. So these are the list beta, you can just go through it, then you just got all the detail. I'm just also giving this PDF. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.